automotive world is shifting gears towards sustainability, and SUVs are no exception. With increasing concerns over climate change and rising fuel costs, car manufacturers are investing heavily in hybrid and electric technology. The good news: whether you're looking for an affordable entry-level option or a premium eco-conscious powerhouse, 2025 has something for everyone. Let's dive into the best eco-friendly SUVs for every budget this year. Number 5. 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, the budget-friendly green machine. For those looking for an affordable yet efficient hybrid SUV, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a strong contender. Under the hood, it features a 2.0L four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering 196 horsepower and an impressive combined fuel economy of around 40 mpg. It's not the fastest in its class, but the fuel savings alone make it a worthy option for daily commuters. Technology-wise, Toyota doesn't skimp on features. The Toyota Safety Sense Suite comes standard, with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pedestrian detection. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping drivers connected without messy cables. In terms of design, the Corolla Cross Hybrid offers a modern yet practical look, with a well-laid-out interior that maximizes space for passengers and cargo. With a price tag starting around $27,000, it's one of the most affordable ways to go green without compromising on quality. Number 4. 2025 Hyundai Tucson Plug-in Hybrid, the versatile performer. If you're looking for a step up in both efficiency and power, the Hyundai Tucson Plug-in Hybrid, PHEV, should be on your radar. This SUV is perfect for those who want an electric driving experience without the range anxiety of a fully electric vehicle. Powered by a 1.6L turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor, the Tucson PHEV delivers 261 horsepower and an all-electric range of up to 33 miles. Ideal for short commutes. And when the gas engine kicks in, it maintains an impressive 35 mpg combined. It feels premium for its price. The 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster and 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system create a futuristic vibe, while premium materials elevate the cabin experience. Hyundai's SmartSense safety package is standard, meaning features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, and parking sensors are included. Pricing starts at $38,000, making it an excellent mid-range choice for those wanting efficiency and modern tech. Number 3. 2025 Ford Escape PHEV, the practical commuter's choice. The Ford Escape PHEV is designed for those who prioritize fuel economy and practicality. With its 2.5L Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine and electric motor, this SUV offers 210 horsepower and an all-electric range of about 37 miles. One of the best in its segment. Real-world usability is where the Escape PHEV shines. The spacious cabin ensures comfort for 5 passengers, while the fold-flat rear seats provide excellent cargo space. The SYNC4 infotainment system with a 13.2-inch touchscreen makes the tech experience seamless. Despite its eco-friendly nature, the Escape PHEV doesn't sacrifice safety, featuring adaptive cruise control, evasive steering assist, and lane-keeping system. Starting at $41,000, it's a great option for those wanting an electrified SUV without breaking the bank. Number 2. 2025 Tesla Model Y Long Range, the EV that redefines the market. No list of eco-friendly SUVs would be complete without the Tesla Model Y long range. With its dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, this electric SUV can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class. Range anxiety. Not here. The Model Y boasts an estimated 330-mile range per charge, making long road trips a breeze. Tesla's autopilot system and expansive supercharger network also make it a leader in the EV space. The minimalist cabin is dominated by a 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything, from navigation to climate settings. Cargo space is also impressive, with over 76 cubic feet of storage when the rear seats are folded. At $52,000, the Model Y is on the pricier side, but its cutting-edge technology and performance make it a worthwhile investment for those going fully electric. Number 1. 2025 Rivian R1S, the ultimate adventure EV. At the top of the list is the Rivian R1S, a rugged, off-road capable electric SUV that blends luxury, performance, and sustainability. If you're an adventurer looking for an EV that can handle tough terrain, this is the one to beat. With up to 835 horsepower in its quad-motor setup, the R1S rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. The 316-mile range ensures you won't be left stranded, and its adaptive air suspension allows it to tackle extreme conditions with ease. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of premium materials, a panoramic glass roof, and a large infotainment system that rivals Tesla's tech. There's also a spacious 3-row seating configuration, making it practical for families who want an eco-friendly but high-performance SUV. However, all that luxury and power come at a price. Starting at $78,000, the R1S is a serious investment, but for those seeking the best in electric adventure vehicles, it's worth every penny. Choosing the best eco-friendly SUV depends on your budget and needs. If you're looking for the most affordable hybrid, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a solid choice. Need a plug-in hybrid with more range? The Hyundai Tucson PHEV is a well-rounded option. For those diving into full EV territory, the Tesla Model Y offers the best range and tech for the price. But if money is no object and you crave adventure, the Rivian R1S is the ultimate all-electric SUV. The future of SUVs is electric, and 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for eco-conscious drivers. Let us know in the comments which of these SUVs you'd pick, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car content.